Hi, this is Joe from the Pocono Mountain Public Library. Today I'm bringing you a bass guitar lesson on Woohoo by the 5-6-7-8s. This bass line is this bass riff is not only good for this bass line, but you'll find it in like old songs by Elvis Presley, Chuck Berry, Bill Haley, folks like that. Their songs contain this, a variation of this bass line quite frequently, and it's if you're in a cover band and you're playing tunes from the 60s, this bass line is going to be indispensable for you. And it's a fun bass line to play. It's one of the first bass lines that I learned, and I had a lot of fun with it. And I'm going to show it to you right now. So one of the things I want to show you here is that you should try to stay in the same position here. This is basically a Mixolydian scale for the most part. So you want to stay in position. That's the Mixolydian scale. But you want to keep your hand right here, basically. So you want your pointer finger for the 4th fret, your middle finger for the 5th fret, your ring finger for the 6th fret, and your pinky for the 7th fret, right? Make sure you stay in frame here. All right. So I'm just going to call out the fret numbers for you and the strings. So 5 on the E string, 4, 7 on the A string, 4, 5, 4 on the D string, then 7 and 4 on the A string. That's the first measure. Second measure, exact same thing. Then the third measure is the A string, 5 on the A string, 4, 7 on the D string, 4, 5, 4, 7, 4 on the D string. Again, let me just spell that out for you again. 5 on the A string, 4, 7 on the D string, 4, 5, 4 on the G string, 7, 4 on the D string. And then on the fourth measure is basically just like the first and second measure. And the last measure in the riff, you start on the 7 of the A string, 4, 5, 4 on the D string, 7, 5, 4 on the A string, 7 on the E string, and you start over again. Alright, I'm going to put some tab up right now, so be sure to write this down or take a screenshot, and you can play along with the original track. Look up Woohoo by the 5-6-7-8s. If you're not up to speed, you can slow it down to 75%. This is Joe at the Pocono Mountain Public Library signing out. Have a great day. Take care. Bye-bye.